Ready? Start. The petitioner has filed the instant petition under Section 482 of the CRPC challenging four complaints filed by respondent against him alleging commission of offences under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act full stop. These four complaints pertain to four different checks full stop. Three complaints are pending before the Court of Judicial Magistrate, First Class, Bandipora, whereas one of the complaints is stated to be pending before the Court of Additional Mobile Magistrate, Bandipura, full stop para. Heard, learned counsel for the petitioner and perused the material on record, full stop para. It has been contended by learned counsel for the petitioner that the learned trial magistrate has jointly tried all the four complaints and as such the procedure adopted by the learned trial magistrate is not in accordance with the law, full stop para. The petitioner has not placed on record any order passed by the learned trial magistrate whereby all the four complaints have been directed to be tried jointly, full stop. In fact, learned counsel submits that there is no such order passed by the learned trial magistrate, full stop. In this view of the matter, the ground urged by learned counsel for the petitioner is without any merit, full stop para. It has been next contended by learned counsel for the petitioner that the preliminary statements in all the four complaints have not been recorded on oath, which is a requirement of law, full stop para. A perusal of the copies of the preliminary statements of the complainant, which have been annexed with the petition, clearly indicate that the same have been recorded on oath oblique solemn affirmation, full stop. The ground urged by the learned counsel in this regard is not substantiated from the documents placed on the card by the petitioner, full stop para. It has been next contended by learned counsel for the petitioner that statutory notices of demand were not served upon the petitioner and as such there was no cause of action available to the respondent, complainant to file the impugned complaints, full stop para. A perusal of the impugned complaints indicate that the respondent oblique complainant had sent statutory notices of demand to the petitioner through registered post, full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner got an information under Right to Information Act, according to which, the notices have not been served upon the petitioner, but the same have been served upon some other person, full stop. At the stage of taking cognizance of the offences, the learned magistrate is expected to base his order only on the averments made in the complaint and the documents annexed thereto, full stop. The question whether the statutory notices of demand were actually served upon the petitioner is a triable issue and a defense available to the petitioner which could not have been gone into by the learned trial magistrate at the time of taking cognizance of the complaint and issuance of process against the petitioner, full stop. The ground urged by learned counsel for the petitioner is, therefore, without any substance, full stop para. It has also been contended by learned counsel for the petitioner that there was a commercial transaction between the parties and, as such, the criminal proceedings could not have been initiated by the respondent against the petitioner, full stop para. In most of the check bounce complaints, the basis is invariably a commercial transaction, and if submission of learned counsel for the petitioner is accepted, then the provisions contained in Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act would become redundant full stop. Even otherwise, the contention raised by the petitioner can only offer a defense to him which can be considered only after the trial of the case full stop para. Apart from the above, the instant petition is not otherwise maintainable as through the medium of instant petition, the petitioner has challenged as many as 4 complaints and 4 separate orders directing issuance of process against him by the trial court. Full stop. A joint petition in respect of different causes of action is not maintainable. Full stop. On this ground also, the petition deserves to be dismissed. Full stop para. For the foregoing reasons, I do not find any merit in this petition. Full stop. The same is, accordingly, dismissed. Full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.